What's up, everybody? And in this video, we're going to be talking about our weekly portfolio update on my dividend stock portfolio. And we'll also be talking about some new bullish kind of theses that have come out on the market, from head equity fund managers and people from JPMorgan, Bank of America. A lot of different stuff is going on. We've got a lot of bulls in the market right now, which is kind of shocking. And we've got a lot of bears in the market, but we're going to talk about my input, what I'm doing, everything you need to know, and just looking very deep into the market. So let's go ahead. Before we go into this, all I ask you enjoy this type of content, dividend investing, stock market investing, that you subscribe to the channel, you turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you for stopping by, but let's go ahead and get straight into it. So my portfolio is down 5.07% over the past week, and which is $574. If we go ahead and look how each kind of slice in my pie performed, tech and cloud computing down 4.29%, dividend ETFs down 5.8%, banking and fintech down 5.9%, real estate down 3.43%, consumer and stores down 6.22%, and restaurants and food down 5%. So a lot of bearish activity and red market activity in my portfolio. Dividend income for the week, the week started on June 13th, that Monday. So I got a dividend for 2 cents from ticker IGV. And then I got another dividend for $1.19 from Realty Income, both on the same day. This was Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, Wednesday the 15th. And then on Thursday the 16th, I got $2.52 from Home Depot, ticker HD. So also see that dividend income coming in. We'll end up reinvesting all these dividends, all about the power of dividend reinvestment. But let's go ahead and look further into my portfolio, how it's looking. My yield on cost is sitting about 3.29%, while my yield continues to rise because my entire portfolio value is decreasing simply because market conditions and stocks are falling, markets are falling. But my portfolio yield is almost breaching 4%, which is insane. My entire goal was hypothetically, if the market were to continue to go up, it would go down to about 2%, and I get a really good yield on cost. But, sometimes some things are out of your control. I can't go and change the market. All I can do is do what's in my control, and you got to kind of think with that mindset as an investor. And you just got to be patient and continue to, best case scenario, add money and reach those goals in the future. But let's go ahead and talk further about my portfolio. For June, I'm expecting to make $31 in dividends. And for July, I'm expecting to make $50, which is great stuff, complete passive income, whether or not I check my portfolio every day and stare at it, or I never check it again. And this money is coming into me no matter what I'm doing, sleeping, working, doing whatever. But let's go ahead and talk about the S&P 500 and how things are looking right now. So looking at the S&P 500 ETF, yesterday alone on Friday, it went up 0.22%. The past week, down 3.56%. In the past month, down almost 9%. We are technically in bear territory from our yearly high in January, going from 477 to 366, which is a more than 20% loss. And that is technically a bear territory, a bear market. But there is a lot of bullish and bearish stances in the market. If you go ahead, I always like to kind of look up stock market news whenever I want to see what's going on. I literally just type in stock market news, and there's a lot of kind of bear stances and a lot of bull stances. Here says from Bank of America saying S&P could carry to the 6,000 level pretty soon, just months away. JPMorgan says it's going to rebound to 4,900. For kind of reference, we're sitting at 3,600 right now. 3,700, closer to that. But then we also have people like Jim Cramer saying sell stocks if there's any rally. Sell. I'm not going to say I dislike the guy, but I do not agree with his investment stances like 99% of the time. I think if he is a very notable person, and if you do sell your stocks into a rally, and hypothetically if everybody were to do that, I mean, you would have no rallies. You'd have a rally for what? One day, maybe even less than that, and everybody would have sold their stocks, and that rally is just gonna boom, down, and it's just not a sustainable kind of vision. But looking further into this, everybody's saying stock market is plummeting. Forecast for the next 6 months, big risks. So silent stock sell off. a lot of different stances. But let's go ahead and kind of read into whenever we're seeing Bank of America say S&P back to the 6,000 level. Technically speaking, looking at history, the average bear market from peak to trough is about 289 days with a decline of 37.9%, 37.3%. And if this were to perfectly match up with that, it would put this stock at a bottom of 3,000, the S&P to bottom of 3,000, and make this ending happen on October 19th of 2022. So about 4 months from now, almost exactly 4 months from now, is where we would technically see this at. But looking even further, what about JPMorgan saying it's going to rebound to 4,900? It's got pretty much JPMorgan's global head of equity macro research sees a major rebound in the near future for the market. So if we could see this rebound to 4,900, if we look at the past highs, we've been up to 4,800, but not 4,900 just yet. So we got a lot of recovery to make if this is hypothetically true. Technical analysis, if we do fall down to 3,000, like it said, sorry about the little ad right there. If we do fall down to 3,000, we have not been that low since roughly June of 2020. So keep that in mind, but that is where history kind of says we're falling in. Me personally, this does not mean I'm going to sell my stocks and wait till it hits 3,000 and then buy them all back up. I'm going to continue to hold, and whether the market goes like this, I'm going to continue to buy. And whether the market goes like this, I'm going to continue to buy. I don't plan on using my funds for personal uses anytime soon, so I'll continue to add money to the portfolio, let it grow, be patient, because patience pays. But everybody, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you for making it to the end. Leave a comment below. Give the video a thumbs up. Go check out M1 Finance if you haven't already. Use the link in the description down below or the pinned comment. You deposit probably $50, $100. You get free money back. It might be $10, $50 back. So really good ROI just like that. But again, thank you for making it to the end, and I will see you at the next video.